Hello, this is Rick, WV3BIQ, with a short video review of my classic Globe Chief 90 WRL transmitter. It operates 10 through 160 meters, has 90 watts input, and has two 807s in the final, 6AG7 oscillator, and 5U4GB rectifier tube, and has a built-in power supply. This is a good combination to use with the Knight-Kit VFO, which also has its own built-in power supply. The Globe Chief 90 was my first transmitter that I used to make contacts on 40 CW, and I think that this is a great classic combination to use the Globe Chief with the Knight VFO. Thanks for watching the video.